Buzz's calendar to stay on top of your activities and due dates. To access your calendar, click on the main menu and go to Calendar. You can filter the calendar here by day, week, month, or all. You can easily review events across weeks and months using the Next and Back button. You can automatically jump to the current date here, and you can add an agenda item. You can hide and show deadlines for multiple courses by selecting or deselecting the list here. In the month view, you can see dates that have activities due by the dots indicated underneath those dates. You can click on a date to see the list of activities for those dates. It will show activities, blackout dates, or agenda items. You can click on the agenda item to view it. You can click on an activity to take you directly to that activity within that course. Use the calendar to help you be more effective and efficient in keeping up with due dates and viewing your lists.